How to add music to Facebook post. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Facebook to the latest version. After updating Facebook, open up Facebook on a device. Now tap on what's on your mind. Now type the caption. Now tap on the gallery icon to add photos. Then give the permissions. Now select a photo. Now tap on the photo and tap on the music icon. Now select a music, tap on done, again tap on done, now tap on next and click on post, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.